Guys, I need the goddamn remote control, man, for this GoPro. Now I see why you dudes be buying them. Because it's a pain in the ass having to reach up to the damn camera, stop somewhere, you know, and start it up. I just got my medications, man. I changed over to Walmart because they're cheaper. A lot cheaper. I'm on high blood pressure meds, you know. And Walmart's like 1/10 of the price. They were $50 a month. Or no, $50 for 2 months. Walmart's like $9 for 2 months. And it's the same stuff. Same god dang medication. So I'm gonna come to Walmart. Plus it's a nicer drive too. This is the suburbs I be going in. Rich white people up here. Snobs too. You know, watch us spitting your food up here. I know all about it. Trust me, I know all about it if you're not nice to them. Ah, man, I'm just kidding, man. That's I mean, this is white suburbs and there's snobs up here. That was just that was a scene from Falling Down. You know, when Michael Douglas goes into the back of the surplus store with the crazy dude there, and he tells him, because he thinks he's a vigilante, you know. And he says, fantastic about the whammy burger, man. Bunch of you know what in there. If you're not nice to them, they'll spit in your food. I know all about it. And he gives him the damn disposable rocket, you know. And he tries to arrest him. Instead, Michael Douglas pulls out the belly song and stabs him in the shoulder. And man, I'd like to get you. I wish I could buy a goddamn belly song. They're supposed to be illegal. Or a belly song. I think it's pronounced belly song. Butterfly knife, basically. I want one of them so goddamn bad, and you can't buy them anymore. They don't sell them no more. You have to buy like a trainer. Or you could buy them, but they have like a dull edge. You know. Then you got to get the edge sharpened by somebody. And you know, you can't go to like a knife store and they're not going to sharpen them because they're going to say, I'm sorry, these are illegal. We're not allowed to sharpen them. So you got to sharpen them yourself. You know, you just can't put a knife on a goddamn freaking grinder and sharpen it yourself. You got to buy a knife sharpening machine. You know, before you know it, you're up to a couple $100 for the goddamn knife. So the hell with it. You know, I want a Bali song bad, man, but not that bad. Can you dig it? Well, people are still pretty crazy out here, man. I don't know what the hell's wrong with people. It's like everyone's trying to prove something. Well, it looks like it's either McLaren or a Lotus back here. That was nice. That orange one. They have some pretty nice sports cars back there, that place there. Now this is opening day for trout, April 14th. And let me see, it's about 10:15 in the morning, man. I'm heading back home. I got to take my dog out for his walk. We've had 2 real nice days of weather around here. I mean, real nice. You know, it's actually well deserved for what we've been through. what we went through, man, we really needed the weather. We really deserve these hot days. Yesterday went up to 80, and today it's going to go up to 80. Need these days, man. I mean, it's just been, the weather's been horrible around here. Absolutely horrible. Horrible weather. I think I told you guys, it's a bummer about my Honda, man. It failed the damn inspection. Well, I kind of had a feeling about the front tire. I didn't know about the rear tail light. I never thought of that. I never thought of it, you know. And I know you gotta have a goddamn working tail light on a motorcycle. I don't. It's like right now, this tail light's on, you know. It never dawned on me, man. I never thought of that. And I assumed they had a goddamn tire in stock. He told me, oh, we don't carry that tire. Are you out of your mind? So I went to a goddamn Honda dealership. They didn't have a Honda, they didn't have a tire for a Honda Rebel in stock. Unbelievable. So now I gotta go back there next Friday. Hopefully I get it inspected this time. You know, unbelievable what I gotta go through for this motorcycle. It's not a bad little motorcycle. It's a city motorcycle, you know. Taking it on the highway, I would not advise it. It's not the Honda Rebel 250 is not a highway motorcycle. It's a city motorcycle. For the city, man, you can't beat it. You cannot beat it, you know. It gets like 80 miles a gallon, holds 2 gallons of gas. Yeah, virtually it's a jump on, take off motorcycle. Very bare bones motorcycle. It has no gear indicator. So you have to always be aware of your gears. You know, you have to always know what kind of gears you're in. I've looked at universal gear indicators, and I don't know if I want to go through all that. I mean, I love having a gear indicator, you know. It's a big help when you're in a motorcycle. I would never buy another motorcycle that doesn't have a gear indicator. You know, like when I look at some of the Harleys, if they don't have a gear indicator, I'm buying a Japanese motorcycle or European. Yeah, man, I'm getting closer and closer, boys, getting my endorsement now. That way I can ride around without having to worry anymore, you know. That's a personal thing for me. get the endorsement, you know. But you take a big chance. If you don't have a learner's permit, you're riding around illegal, they can impound your motorcycle if you run into a cop that wants to be a jag on it. I haven't seen police stop a motorcycle in a long time to see if they got a learner's permit or a license. I haven't seen that in a while. I did a few years ago, you know. I haven't seen that in a while. One thing this motorcycle here doesn't have is self-canceling turn signals. Or when I had my Kawasaki, I had a Kawasaki. Yeah, I think it was a Voyager. That had self-canceling turn signals. That had a lot of shit on it. That had a lot of little gadgets on it now. Well, that was a touring motorcycle. That's the way I always went. I always had a touring motorcycle. Always. This is actually my first sport bike. I've always owned a touring motorcycle. My very first motorcycle, man, was a Yamaha Adventure Royale. My second one was a Kawasaki Voyager, 1200cc. My third one was a Harley FLH. And this is my fourth one. The Honda Rebel's my fifth one. So I had a total of 5 motorcycles so far. Motorcycles are nice. They are fucking fun, you know. Now on this, I'm finding people in cars, people in sports cars especially, they want to race all the time. They all want to race. It's like they all want to prove something to their wife or their girlfriend. They all try to prove stuff, you know. Guys, I'm going to shut this off, man, alright? I don't want to make the video too long. I'll catch y'all later.